Most people think going from zero to millions takes luck, the right family, the right connections, the right timing, but the truth is this. Millions are built, not found, and everyone who has ever gone from nothing to something followed the same pattern. Today I'm going to break that pattern down for you in a way that's simple, real, and repeatable. Because if you understand this path, you can walk it too. Part 1. The reality of starting at zero. Starting from zero is not inspirational. It's uncomfortable, it's stressful, and sometimes it feels like you're stuck in a life you didn't choose. But here's the twist. People who start from zero have an advantage. You have hunger, you have urgency, you have no safety net, which forces you to build your own wings. And that hunger becomes fuel that people born with advantages never get. Part 2. Step 1. Build a high-value skill. If you're starting with no money, no contacts, no plan, you only need one thing: a high-value skill. Not a job, not a side hustle, a skill. A skill that solves a problem the world is willing to pay for. Copywriting, content creation, marketing, design, AI tools, coding, sales, video editing. None of these skills require money. They only require consistency. If you devote 6 months to one skill, truly devote yourself, you'll be better than 90% of people. That's all you need to make your first serious money. Part 3. Step 2. Use that skill to make money. Once you have a skill, the game changes. Now you turn your ability into income. Freelancing, selling a service, creating content, helping small businesses. You don't need a company, you don't need a team, you just need to solve one problem for one person and let the results speak. Your first 100 feels impossible. Your first 1,000 feels magical. Your first 10,000 feels life-changing. And then you realize something powerful. Money is not the goal, leverage is. Part 4. Step 3. Turn money into a machine. This is where people get stuck. They start making money, but they don't scale it. To become a millionaire, you need to turn money into a machine that produces more money. There are 3 ways to do this. A. Build systems. Turn your service into something bigger than yourself. Hire help. Automate tasks. Multiply time. B. Build digital assets. Products that work even when you don't. Courses, templates, guides, memberships, content. This is where income becomes exponential. C. Build investments. Real wealth grows quietly. Stocks, real estate, index funds, crypto, these build your future without stealing your time. Part 5. The path to millions. You don't become a millionaire by accident. You follow the path. Skill, cash flow, systems, scaling, investments, wealth. This is the journey every self-made millionaire has taken. Not fast, not easy, but absolutely possible. Part 6. The message you need to hear. You don't need permission, you don't need perfect timing, you don't need luck. You just need one skill, one strategy, and one commitment. Never stop leveling up. If you're at zero today, good. You're at the perfect starting point. Every millionaire you admire was once where you are now, broke, confused, uncertain, but hungry. And that hunger is your superpower. This is just the beginning. In the next episodes, we'll break down how to pick the right skill, how to learn it fast, how to make your first $1,000 online, and how to build your first digital asset. If you're ready to go from nothing into something, you're in the right place. You should definitely watch the next video and subscribe to our channel.